Welcome, dear learners, to Kyaggwe TV, and particularly for our chemistry lesson. We are grateful because you subscribe to this channel so that any new video that is uploaded in regard to chemistry, you can pick it. This is Nsereko and Huntington, your chemistry teacher today, and we're looking at the physical properties of carbon dioxide. We had said today we would look at the uses of carbon dioxide. However, we find it very necessary that we see the properties first so we can understand the uses. We're looking at the properties of carbon dioxide.
Observe and test the properties of the gas formed. It is colorless. It has a faint odor. It is heavier than air. Put a lighted splinter in a jar containing carbon dioxide gas. It extinguishes. The gas does not support combustion. Hence we conclude that the gas given off is carbon dioxide.
In our video, observe the test tube, the test and the properties of the gas that is formed. In our gas jar, you can see the gas is being formed. It is colorless and it is heavier than air or denser than air. This is why this gas is collected by downward delivery. When a burning splint is pushed into the jar, it is extinguished, which means the gas does not support burning. Hence, we can conclude that the gas given off is carbon dioxide. Those are the physical properties that we have seen from our video. The gas is colorless. The gas has no smell, although we could not see that with the video. It is denser than air and does not support combustion. Those are some of the physical properties of carbon dioxide gas. We're going next to see another video where we'll see how we test the gas carbon dioxide.
Hydroxide, which is known as clear lime water, is used to detect the presence of carbon dioxide gas produced from the reaction of sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate salts. With diluted hydrochloric acid by passing the gas through clear lime water. What do you observe? Clear lime water turns milky on passing carbon dioxide gas through it for a short time due to the formation of springly soluble calcium carbonate in water. On passing carbon dioxide gas for a longer time, the precipitate disappears, since insoluble calcium carbonate changes into soluble calcium bicarbonate.
In our video, we're going to first of all prepare the gas in a test tube. And there we can see we have calcium hydroxide, which tests for presence of carbon dioxide. We shall put it in a test tube. Like you can see, it is a colorless gas. Then we have other reagents that we're going to use to prepare the gas. We shall also put sodium carbonate in a test tube. We shall add there hydrochloric acid. Now, after adding quickly, we shall put a stopper so that we trap the gas that is coming out. We direct it into the other one, test tube, with lime water. Watch very carefully. The gas is bubbling and the colorless solution is turning from colorless to a milky solution. This shows that the gas coming out is carbon dioxide. When you bubble more and more of this gas, you can see that the solution now has turned colorless, which means that when you bubble excess carbon dioxide in the milky solution formed by lime water, the milkiness or the turbidness disappears. This is it. Okay? When we react carbon dioxide with lime water turns milky. We have evidently seen this happen in a video. We have seen how to prepare carbon dioxide and how carbon dioxide reacts with lime water. It turns milky. However, when you bubble it to the excess, the turbidness, the milky solution turns clear. Now, we want to understand what happens. Over to the screen now. We have two test tubes. One has a clear solution, another has a milky solution. In the first case, we have an equation. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide will form calcium carbonate, which is a solid. So the milkiness or the turbidness of the solution is because of the presence of a precipitate or the solid of calcium carbonate. So during the reaction of calcium hydroxide and carbon dioxide, the precipitation or the milkiness that we see is a result of formation of calcium carbonate. However, when we bubble excess carbon dioxide gas through the lime water, the milky solution turns colorless. We have an equation there. The equation is calcium carbonate, which is a solid, which will form as a milky solution, plus more carbon dioxide, you will form calcium hydrogen carbonate. Remember, all hydrogen carbonates are soluble. So calcium hydrogen carbonate is a soluble solution, is a soluble substance, so it forms a solution like we have seen. This is how carbon dioxide is tested. From what we have seen, carbon dioxide can be tested in the lab with lime water. It turns lime water milky. When you bubble excess, why does it turn milky? Because of formation of calcium carbonate. However, when you bubble to the excess, when you bubble more and more carbon dioxide, the milky solution disappears. Why? Because we are forming calcium hydrogen carbonate, which is very soluble. You have been a wonderful audience because you subscribe to this channel and you don't miss out on any lesson that is loaded. In case of any question, in case of any comment, you can reach me on my telephone numbers that are shared on the screen. You can even leave a comment down there on Kyaggwe TV. We get connected together. In case you didn't understand anything, please feel free, reach me, I'll be there for you. Teacher Nsereko is my name. Thank you Kyaggwe TV for hosting us. Thank you dear learner, dear parent, for allowing us to use your gadgets to communicate. Thank you so much everybody. Together we shall fight COVID-19 and get together again. Nsereko. See you next time.